Hello, this is John Moore with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. And here's our latest thinking about the impacts to our region from Tropical Storm Cristobal. This briefing was prepared on Sunday afternoon, June the 7th. So Cristobal continues to approach the coast of South Louisiana and will make landfall very soon. By the time you watching this video, it will have made landfall or will be really close to making landfall. The main threats to our region will be life-threatening flash flooding and severe storms capable of producing tornadoes, and also a low-end gradient wind threat. There's been an update to include a slight risk for severe storms on today and tomorrow. So here are our threat levels. Wind tend to be a low to moderate threat with this storm as it pushes through our region. And this is a pretty big storm, so these low to moderate winds will extend very far from the center of the storm. Rainfall and flash flooding is going to be high to extreme threat, especially in the southern portions of our region. You go see an extreme threat of dangerous rainfall and flooding. Tornadoes is going to be mainly a moderate threat for our region as this situation develops. Here's the current satellite view. Again, Cristobal continues to approach southern Louisiana, and it will continue to track north just west of the Mississippi River. And Mississippi will remain on the east side of the storm, which is mainly usually the impactful side of a tropical system. Showers and storm are already moving in the South Mississippi, and we'll begin to see an increase of activity in the South and Central Mississippi over the next few hours, especially going into the evening. So the most likely arrival time for tropical storm force winds, and where are the better chances we'll see tropical storm force winds in our area? Well, the better chances for tropical storm force winds associated with Cristobal are going to be in the southern portions of our area and the southwestern portions of our area, and when those areas can start seeing tropical storm force winds later on this afternoon. So flash flooding. Flash flooding is going to be the biggest threat to our area with Tropical Storm Cristobal. There's an extreme threat of flash flooding in the far southeast reaches of our area of responsibility. We're talking about Marion County and the Lamar County and Forest County. In other areas in the red shaded significant threat area, well, in the extreme area, we're expecting 7 to 10 inches of rainfall with some locally higher amounts possible. We can see roads flooded or washed out, some homes even flooded, and water rescues are expected in that area. We get into the significant threat area, we're expecting 4 to 8 inches of rainfall with some locally higher amounts. We can see roads flooded and closed, and maybe even some homes and businesses taking on water. As we get into the orange elevated threat area, we're talking about 3 to 6 inches of rainfall in a short period of time. We can see some roads flooded and some structures probably threatened as well. And in the yellow limited threat area, you're not completely in the clear. You can also see some isolated flash flood warnings in that area. Timings of flash flooding, it's going to be mainly Sunday night into Monday for areas south of the Interstate 20 corridor, and mainly Monday into Monday night for areas north and along the Interstate 20 corridor. So severe weather is going to be possible as well as the system continues to track north through our area. Mainly the east side of the system is going to have the best chance for severe storms. And with these severe storms, the main threat is going to be damaging wind gusts and tornadoes. Usually with tropical system, we see brief, weak tornadoes. So the best chances of these storms today, this afternoon through the night, are going to be south of Interstate 20, where the slight risk area is at for this afternoon through the night. And for Monday, mainly areas east of Interstate 55 are going to have the best chances for these severe storms. Windy conditions are also expected. In the elevated threat area, we can see wind gusts expanding pretty far out from the center of the storm. We can see sustained winds between 20 and 30 miles per hour with some wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour. This combined with wet conditions, you will be able to see some downed trees. Some trees may fall and some power lines may fall as well. Travel may be difficult for high profile vehicles. As we get into the northern portion of the area, including the Mississippi Delta, southeastern Arkansas, and the Golden Triangle, We'll see sustained wind gusts between sustained winds between 20 and 25 miles per hour, with some gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. There's also going to be a threat of severe weather after this system pushes through. A cold front is going to begin to approach the area. So we'll see a threat of severe weather associated with the cold front on late on Tuesday night, going into Wednesday. So this is separate from Cristobal. This is after Cristobal. We'll see a cold front begin to approach the area, and we'll have a marginal risk for isolated severe storms with the threats of damaging wind gusts and hail up to a quarter size with those. So in summary, Cristobal continuing to approach South Louisiana, is probably making landfall as you're watching this video, or has already made landfall. It's going to continue to move north into our region. The main threats to our region are going to be life-threatening flash flooding this evening through Monday, and local rivers will begin to rise as well. We could see up to some moderate river flooding in the southern portions of our area. There's going to be a slight risk of severe weather for the rest of the days, mainly south of Interstate 24 area, and tomorrow in the east. Tornadoes and damaging wind gusts will be possible this afternoon and tomorrow. Gusty winds will develop this afternoon and last throughout Monday, as we just talked about, and there's going to be another severe weather threat on Tuesday night into early Wednesday. Again, thank you for watching this briefing. You can always contact us for more information. This has been John Moore for the National Weather Service in Jackson. Thank you.